Kelly here from Lawn Fawn, and I wanted to show you some of my favorite products of the new stuff. And I have to start with the gnomes. They're so cute. So it's adorable. We've got these cute little guys, and look how sweet this card is with the little mushroom house.
That is so cute.
I love the mushrooms so much. We also have this really amazing new interactive die. So check this out. It's called the Magic Picture Changer, and that's what it does.
Oh, you guys are gonna love this.
It's so easy to put together. It's so simple, and it turns out so amazing. Check this one out too. This is with our new Rain or Shine stamp set.
Oh, that's so fun.
Isn't that awesome?
Your skirt is so cute.
Isn't
Can you
that
show
great?
them the stamp set that
Yeah,
matches?
so this is the stamp set that goes with my skirt here. This is our happy. So I got a skirt made with it because I mean everybody needs clothes with peas on it.
Absolutely.
So, right? So this is our little happy set, which is just adorable, and it has a little die that cuts the slit so that you can tuck the little peas in the pea pie.
Oh, that's so cute.
Isn't that awesome? So I just love it. Another favorite of mine are the new shadow box add-ons because you can make it look like this cute little park shadow box. It kind of reminds me of old storybooks.
Oh, that's
Isn't that adorable? And it folds flat and it fits in a standard envelope. You can mail it with standard postage. And then it's this amazing, cool little three-dimensional thing.
That is so amazing. Thanks, Kelly.
Oh, thank you guys so much.
Here at the Lawn Fawn booth this morning making our Oh No. Hope you have a happy birthday. A little sorry I'm late. Oh No card today.
That's awesome. Thank you.